Hi guys, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to talk about something very important. I received a message from a loan company, and I would just allegedly, because the company may come out to say, oh, we didn't send you that message and deny the message, but I'll share that message now. So I received this message, as you can see, from this loan company saying, good morning. This person collected a loan from Flexi Cash and has refused to pay up. Kindly reach out to this person to pay back this loan, either part or full, today, on or before 12 p.m., because the company will soon start posting pictures on the internet. Thank you. And that prompted me to really make this video, because again, I'm still going to show my response to this message. So I got this message from Flexi Cash. I'm going to show my response to this message, and the reason I'm making this video is to educate you, all my subscribers, especially those in Nigeria, that no loan company or no loan app or whatever it's called has the right to threaten you, has the right to use abusive language, and all that kind of stuff. There are ethical loan recovery practices that I will talk about in this video, and what are the things you can do to ensure that this kind of thing don't happen to you, right? That is loan companies calling you, threatening you, embarrassing you. No, it's unethical. Even if, yes, you owe the loan companies, there are legal and ethical means for loan recovery in Nigeria, and you must be aware of this, right? You have the right to file a report, to send a report, and I'll share all the necessary steps you can take to make sure that this kind of thing does not happen. And it would interest you to know that a lot of loan companies, loan apps, and whatnot have already been delisted for practices like this, and also um, excessively high interest rate on the loans. A lot of them have been delisted, and then we have some approved loan companies right now, and I will share all that in this video. But here's the message, and now let's go through my response to this loan company so that you can see how you should respond to them. And if the threat continues, I'm going to share like practical steps you can take to make sure that this kind of thing stops. So here's my response. I said, dear FlexiCash, I am writing to formally complain about the incessant harassment, threats, and unethical debt recovery tactics employed by your agents. As per the FCCPC guideline, and I will share that guideline with you very soon, and Nigeria's fair debt fair debt collection practices. All these things are real. Go and fact check. You are prohibited. So every loan company is prohibited from calling you excessively. So that's why I say you are prohibited from calling me excessively or at odd hours, threatening me or my contact, which is what they've done in their message, using abusive language or defamatory messages. I demand that you cease all harassment immediately. If this continues, I will escalate this matter to the FCCPC, CBN, and legal authorities for further action. Regard, and I put my name there. I'm showing you this message. This is real, because One of the reasons I'm doing this is to educate. Remember that this platform is all about educating you about, you know, your money, finance, making sure that you don't get bullied or scammed online by any investment platform, whatever it is, right? And this falls into the category of my work. So, and the next thing, whoever this person is sent me a voice note, but you can see that the voice note is purposely done so that I can only listen to it once, right? Listen to it once. So again, after sending this message, they are also now scared, and they're sending me a message that is view once. Now, what can you do if threats continue? So if these people continue threatening me, what can I do? Now you can compile, you can gather like all the threats, that you can gather evidence. Okay, so you can gather your evidence, and what you want to do, I'm going to open some websites for you, so that we can be on the same page. So what you want to do, gather your evidence. So this will be my evidence. They continue to me, I'll continue to gather more evidence, then I'll show you exactly what you should do. And many of these companies, they do this because they know even you don't even know, right? So FCCPC, I think is .gov.ng. Yeah, so this is FCCPC website. So yeah, so what you want to do is look at it. Federal Competition and Consumer Protection Commission, that is FCCPC. This is a very powerful website, and this was responsible for delisting so many loans, so many loan companies and all, together with the CBN. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to file a complaint. So you see, so you can put your name, everything, email, and send a complaint, right, to FCCPC. You can also send an email to fccpc at fccpc.gov.ng. Send all the evidence that you have, right? Send it, and FCCPC will take it up. But these loan companies don't have a right to harass you, threaten you or your contact, post your pictures online or anything like they've mentioned in their threats. You don't have a right to do that. I'm telling you, even if you have collected a loan, right? There are ethical debt recovery practices that they must follow, as laid down by FCCPC, CBN, and other regulatory bodies. So again, look at you need to just go to this website. As long as you are dealing with businesses, you are a consumer, FCCPC is your best friend. You need to go to this website. So I want to make this thing, I want to create the awareness, right? There's report.gov.ng too by FCCPC. You need to visit this website. So what else can you do? I will share something else, and then I will share the phone numbers that you can contact. I'm going to put the phone numbers under this in the description of this video, right? You can contact those phone numbers and make an official report that this company is threatening you or harassing you, right? And include the evidence in it. So for example, the WhatsApp message, I'm going to take a screenshot of that, and I would file a proper report. So report.gov is here. So I want to report, I want to report a complaint. You can click here to report. I just want to give feedback. You can give feedback, right? So these things, important, important. So let us see, what else can you do? Now, another thing you can do, you can submit a complaint via CBN, and you can file a formal complaint to the Nigerian police. Now, don't the police is your friend. you can file a formal complaint saying that, look, I'm being threatened and harassed by this. And based on the guidelines of the FCCPC and CBN, these people don't have the right to threaten me, right? There are loan recovery methods. So those are the things you can do. Number one, you reach out to the loan company with the template I've given you. Reach out. If the threat persists, you send a message to FCCPC at fccpc.gov.ng. Send email. You can come here and make an official report. So report.gov.ng. It's also an official website. Look at it on the FCCPC. You can see report.gov.ng. Okay, and then you can also file a complaint with CBN regarding the loan company. But don't be in a hurry. There are other things you can do. There are other things you can do. If such loan company is on the App Store or Play Store, report the loan company on those apps. Okay? You can report the loan company. What about your contact? You can inform your contact and all that. The loan company is harassing you and they may get called and all of that. You can inform your contact. The loan companies don't have a right, I'm telling you, to do all those things. So, and then finally, it is important that I must state this. You have to stick to only federal government approved loan companies, right? And if you know that you don't know any federal government approved loan company, you can drop a comment in the section. I will respond with like a list of the federal government approved loan companies where you have taken a loan and you will not be harassed, or there are methods of loan recovery, and those loan approved company understand this and they will only follow these ethical, practices for debt recovery, not these ones that will start threatening you and putting you under pressure. You know that a lot of people, because of loan companies, have by themselves. But yes, because of threats from loan companies, they end up, because they cannot withstand it anymore, they just buy themselves. So again, we want to protect consumers. Enough is enough for some of these practices that these loan companies deploy. Unethical practices at best. They just deploy it, and because you as a citizen, you as a consumer, you don't know that you have this kind of rights. So you just end up, accepting the insults, the derogatory terms used on you, the embarrassment, and all those kind of things. At times, defamation, right? You just enjoy it and you still end up paying their loan. So what is the essence if I'm still going to pay and maybe I default by 1 or 2 days and you are already sending me threats and harassment, right? Then I'll still end up paying. So why the threats, why the harassment, why the insult? Okay, so this is the essence of this video, just to educate you that you have to know your rights when it comes to all these loan companies and how they go about with their debt recovery practices. You have to know your rights and you have to stand by your rights. Okay, so again, I'm going to drop a link so that you can see the list of delisted loan companies so that you avoid them. I don't even think they can practice anymore. If not, someone will get in trouble for that. But I also, for those interested in the actual, government approved loan companies, make sure you drop a comment and I'll be in the comment section. If you're interested in legitimate business, comment business in the comment section and I will make another video for you. Want me to look into any company, whether it's a scam or not, just drop the name of the company. I'll do my investigation live and show you all the proof and all the evidence you need to know. All right, I remember I'm innocent, and thank you for watching this one. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye.